Welcome back to Charleston New Homes Guide, Ride with the Guide. I'm Keely Burd, your local new construction expert. Today I'm with Lennar Homes at Dawson Pointe. We're going to be taking a tour of the two models that are available here, the Coleman and the Owen. The Coleman comes in at 1,935 square feet and has a lot of great features. I'm going to show you my top 5. Let's get started. The first standout feature for me is that there is a formal entry area. So you could outfit this with a drop zone if you wanted to. And there also is some great storage here. Notice that these 5-panel doors are a standard feature in these models. So you have some really great storage with the coat closet and this area here to play with. So I love that you're not just walking right in to the living spaces. You have a nice welcome into the home. Coming in at number 2 is the kitchen. So features for me that are really standing out is this oversized granite island here. And this is a standard feature as well as the stainless steel appliances. There is a ton of storage in these townhomes. So they're really giving you a lot of the benefits of single family living, but in a nice compact townhome format, which really helps out with price points as well as livability. You know, this house has tons of storage. So there is going to be a large pantry as well. So giving you all the space that you need in this Coleman model. Favorite feature number 3 is this oversized primary bedroom. It can certainly accommodate a king size bedroom set, maybe even a little sitting area. We're seeing the windows brought back up from the downstairs. So again, wall to wall windows back here, so much natural lights coming in. There is no compromising with this walk-in closet. It certainly is enough to accommodate 2 wardrobes. And then everybody's going to love the primary bathroom. It has linen storage and a private water closet, an oversized shower, and dual vanities, which is standard. So this is definitely a great owner's oasis right here. Love this primary space. Number 4 is the standard flex space. So you are not having to compromise. You get this whole upstairs living area. It's conveniently located also right by the washer and dryer. So no having to lug the clothes upstairs. One other thing I really like is that the flex area completely separates the primary bedroom from the other 2 bedrooms, making sure that there's a lot of privacy for everybody. I'm signing off for the Coleman with my 5th favorite feature, which is the standard 2-car garage. I love how this townhome gives you so much storage, so many spaces that you really don't feel like you're sacrificing in a detached style house. I love that they're bringing you ease of livability with everything that you need. I cannot wait to show you the next townhouse, so let's get started. Welcome to the Owen model at just under 1,900 square feet, featuring 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and a standard 2-car garage. There's a lot of great features inside. I can't wait to show you what they've done with the model. Let's get our tour started. Welcome to the Owen townhome. You're greeted by lovely features like the 5-panel door on this coat closet. Check out these tall ceilings, you guys. We've got 9 feet ceilings down here. Really large open floor plates. Gorgeous flooring running throughout this entire first floor. Standout features for me are definitely this kitchen. Look how many dedicated spaces there are for you to cook and eat at. You get the nice dining off of this oversized granite countertop here, a nice little dedicated coffee area, tons of storage, and there is a full-size pantry as well. Conveniently located on the first floor is a half bath. So you have that as well as the 2-car garage coming right off of the kitchen. The primary bedroom offers a lot of opportunity to expand. There is plenty of room in here. We've got 2 walk-in closets. It also features a luxury ensuite bathroom. You can see they brought the flooring into here. This is the second of the walk-in closets. There's also a large shower, linen storage, and a private water closet. And standard feature, of course, having the dual vanities here. This is such a luxurious bedroom, and you can fit, a whole sitting area, really a lot of opportunity here. The standard loft is a really thoughtful feature for these townhomes because it brings in an opportunity to have a second family room, a office, a study space, really whatever your needs are. There's a lot of ways to flex this space and make it your own. I think it's a great feature of the home. It's also conveniently located by the washer and dryer, which are upstairs. I love that. No needing to haul the clothes up and down. And this is a great size room here. So
Again, we're not lacking any storage in these townhomes.
The shared hall bath is at the end of the hallway here. You can see how they're bringing in the floor again, and we've got a nice shower tub combo here. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are conveniently located away from the primary, giving that owner's oasis all the space that it needs. But you can see how much natural light is just pouring into these bedrooms. So they are at the front of the home, and the primary takes up the entire rear. But they're really packing in so many great spaces. Here's even more storage into under 1,900 square feet here in this Owen model. Thanks for tuning in to today's Ride with the Guide and taking a tour of the two models here at Dawson's Point by Lennar Homes. On duty agents are available 7 days a week, and you can pop in or make an appointment. They're available to tell you all about the inventory, what's available, and what's coming soon. We'll see you on the next Ride with the Guide.